my god, look at all these cows. Moo! We're finally here with the Freedom Farm, an animal sanctuary in the middle of Israel. And I've been trying to get here for the past year, since my birthday pretty much. I got a free pass from my work. And finally here, we made it. Almost for my second birthday in Israel. Well, nothing yet happened. We're just at the entrance waiting for the guided tour. You can visit them. It's called Freedom Farm. I wanted to pause for a second and to say that in case you were wondering, why did I go to the animal sanctuary beginning with, and why did I want to share that experience with you, is because in the future I do see myself opening up an animal sanctuary somewhere in the world, specifically a cow sanctuary. And if some of you already out there are taking part in a similar project somewhere in the world, or specifically a cow sanctuary project, feel free to contact me and I'll be glad to visit you and learn more about this important topic. That's an interesting point. Our guide is describing how the goat, some of the goats, specifically this aisle, is goats that were saved from religious sacrifices at Temple Mount. Yeah, I have a feeling we're heading to the cows. The mother cow. Mother cows that were saved from the slaughterhouses and dairy industry in Israel, maybe some other places in the world. Let's hear the stories. Oh, they're so cutesy.
אם היא אוהבת בבטן אז אתם מוזמנים. שחזירים זה איזשהו בעל חיים נדיר שלא אוכלים הרבה בארץ. מדי שנה במדינת ישראל רק שותים 220,000.
Really touching, all these stories and the animal rescue stories that we heard together, and just petting the animals. Fortunately we didn't get cuddled too much with the cows, but it was really touching. One of the cows is actually a Brahman, an Indian cow, and her story was quite unique. She was found and she basically escaped the truck that was bringing her to the facility for slaughter or whatever, and she made it to the sanctuary. So if you're interested, check out their website, come volunteer. I enjoy that very much. Perhaps we'll come here to volunteer, do something with the animals and learn some more, and we got a little present too. Hey Maina, show them the present we got. And on the top of the magnet it says, "Be the change you want to see in the world" by Mahatma Gandhi. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Hare Krishna.